So here's how you can hide your photos on Google Photos on your Android device. It's quite simple. So let's get started. First of all, let me just open up my photos, which is actually Google Photos. And then from here, you can simply, I just want to hide this photo. All right. So I will long press on this photo. And from the bottom side, you need to scroll to the right side and you will find out move to the locked. Here is the option to hide your photo, so simply tap on that, and then as you can see, for the first time it will ask for setup locked folder. So I will tap on the setup. It will now asking me for my passcode, so I will go with that and simply go with the continue button, and once again tap on the move button and allow this one, and now it has been moved to the hidden folder. So that's how you can simply do it. So if you want to find this out, you need to go to this collection, and then from here you can go with the locked. So that's how you can simply hide a photo on Google Photos on your Android device. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you next time.